Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your speed unit in the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an EX 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive in Gravity Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, you'll see on the left-hand side of your instrument cluster there, we have our digital speedometer, and it's currently in kilometers per hour. And also just to note that at the top of the middle, we have our estimated distance to empty in kilometers. And in the bottom right there, we have our odometer, which is also in kilometers. So what we're going to do is we're going to head into setup, and you can either hit setup down here in the infotainment controls in the control center, or we can swipe the screen to the left and hit setup on the right there. Then we're going to go into general, and then on the left, we're going to scroll up a little and we're going to go to units. And then you can see in here, you can choose between kilometers or miles. So I'm going to go ahead and press miles, and then you're going to see over here now, it has changed to miles per hour, and it even gives you a little kilometers per hour underneath just as a reference. Then you'll notice at the top, in the middle, your distance to empty is now in miles, and your odometer in the bottom right there is also in miles. So you can switch that back and forth as you need to, just by heading into units. So if you happen to be popping over to the US or wherever you happen to be, it's close for us, you can always just switch it over. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.